Hello, all. In 8th class biology, we are discussing cell, the basic unit of life. When I say cell, you might be thinking of a battery or you might be thinking of a mobile phone. These two are non living things. But in biology, we have a different meaning for this cell, and in biology, the cell is a living thing. So, we are going to see actually what is a cell and what is the importance of cell in our life. Before starting, first I want to ask you a question. We all know this is a building. So to construct a building, what are the materials required to us? Can you guess? Yes, we need cement, we need sand. Most important thing, we need bricks. If you arrange the bricks one by one, if you arrange the bricks one by one in a proper structure, then we are going to get this building. So, bricks are the building blocks for a building. In the same way, our cell is building block for the organism. In the same way, our cell is also a building block for the organism. If you see here, we have different kinds of animals, like we have ant, fish, and can you identify this? This is bacteria, which you cannot even see with our eyes. That much small, minute it will be there, bacteria. So, all these organisms are made up of cell. Though the sizes, here we have different organisms varying in size, but all these are formed from cell. Whether it is an ant, a very small animal is also made up of a cell, or a very big animal like shark, whale is also made up of a cell, and a very minute organism, bacteria, which we cannot see with our eyes, is also made up of cell. Here you can see human beings. Even a human being is made up of a cell. First, the formation of our body has been started with this cell. This cell is going to transform, then we are going to get a big organism like this what we are now. But the basic unit of life, the basic thing of our life is made up of cell. So that's why we say cell is the basic unit of life. You can see here, cell, which is a basic unit of life, cell, group of cells, if you join all the cells, then it will turn into a tissue. If the group of tissue forms, then it turns into a organ, and the group of organs become an organ system like this. So first our body will be formed with the cell, and the group of cells will turn into tissue, group of tissues will turn into organ, group of organs. From a group of organs we are going to get organ system. That's why we say cell is a basic structural and functional unit of life. Study of cells, we say it as cytology. So cell is an very important living thing, living structure for us. Our organism, whatever we are in now, whether it is a plant, whether it is a small animal, whether it is a bacteria, all our lives have been started with that single cell. Then the cells will be grouped into tissues. Tissues will group and form into organs, and organs will be formed, and it will give you so many systems, like we have digestive system, circulatory system, respiratory system. Group of all these systems, we have a big organisms what we have now. So this is the importance of cell. In the next class we are going to see who discovered the cell.